What do you want, Baba? What is purple? You're gonna be strong, said sa akin. Okay, thank you. Here, please, thank you. Okay, please, thank you. So, ito yung akin. Dito na sila. Ano kayo? Kiss muna sila. Yan, tinuturuan si Kuya. Surely. Well, you're not supposed to be on the green, Baba. What's that, Baba? Maraming airplane dito kasi malapit na sa airport eh. Good job, Kuya. Green. Saki's turn. Okay, Baba. That's short.
Pick it up.
Ito talaga si Sak. Joker talaga to. Tawa siya ng tawa. Pinipigilan niya. Gusto niya raw katulad kila Kuya.
Mom, is there a club?
No, this is not practicing, Baba.
Like this.
No. Gusto niyang kunin ko yung golf club niya. They're practicing for competition, Baba. This is not the lesson. Okay? Next time, okay? Put your hat. Wow, that's mommy's hot, Bobo. You look pretty. May mga terms sila na hindi ko alam, guys. Yung isa naman busy dun, oh. Ang straight-ong daddy. Hinit ni Kuyang napakalakas. Look, oh, di ba? Ngayon pating naman sila, guys. Nag-change na sila ng club. What do you call the first one, Han? Wow! Ayun, guys, sak. Then try nilang ma-shoot sa ano. You're unreal, Zachary. What do you want me to do? Close it? Okay. Kanina chipping yung ginamit nilang ay yung pag-hit nila kanina. Chipping ang tawag doon. Iba yung clubs na ginamit nila. Ngayon naman patting.
Follow through.
Ooh.
Follow through with your putt, mate.
Oh.
Follow through with your putt.
Zachary, alis ka nga dyan. Ito naman. Kaya, Zach. Oh! Si Kuya.
You aim at the flag, mate. Don't hit it.
Too hard, Kuya.
Now putt them ones in. Just go short. Putt them in.
Now put your hat, Baba, because it's hot here.
Go left and right. Make sure that...
Ayan, another one. meron ako nakikitang nagsisidatingan. Kanina, nandun sila siguro sa loob. Yung kasali sa competition. Ito palang competition, guys. Ano siya? South Australian golf competition. So, lahat ng mga taga South Australia na mga naglalarong golf na mga bata, yan, magkukumpit sila. Excellent daw, sabi ni Daddy. Masaya ang daddy niya kasi maganda na yung hit ni Kuya. Oh.
I'm thirsty. Where's the drink?
Holly has it, nak. Be careful with your clothes, Sak, ha? Nauhaw na si Sak. Okay. Close it, nak. Close it. Is it close? Yeah. Thanks, sabi niya. Siya ang water girl. Ayan yung ibang bata. Oh. Nagpapahinga na sila. Oh. Parami ng parami yung mga nagsisidatingan. Nagre-ready na sila kasi mag-start na yung competition. Good luck, boys. First time nila to, guys. Ayan. Yan yung mga kasali. Yung iba nasa loob pa ng ano, golf club. Tea nyo dyan, oh, ang
I only
dami.
got 4 Ks.
Colorful, oh.
Right now.
So, be
Oh,
careful.
you got Yeah, why you?
Dinivide sila sa dalawa. Ayun yung first batch, guys. And sila, mamaya-maya pa. Sana nakasali sila dun para, ano, para makauwi kami ng maaga. 2:00 na kaya. So, naghihintay pa kami dito bago sila. Nasugatan siya, guys, kasi nagtatakbo-takbo siya kanina. Ayan, oh. Oh. Pero hindi naman nabutas yung ano niya.
Please.
Ha?
Please.
Mommy will put medicine when we get home, okay? Pero yung leggings niya, ha? Zachary has that? Oh, si Zachary daw, meron din naman daw nito. So, it's a tie. It's a tie, baba. Kasi nagtatakbo siya dyan, oh. Pinigilan ko siya, ayaw niya makinig, ayun. Huminto siya nung nadapa na siya.
You have to hold me.
Pardon me?
You have to hold me.
I was calling you and then you said, no, I can do it, Mom. And then what? You ran? And what happened? Ako pang sisisihin mo. Sinisi mo pa talaga ako. It's alright, Papa. It's alright. That kiss ni Mama. Feel better? Feel better. Oh, kiss ni Mami to? Feel better? Oh, diba? Magic kiss lang kailangan yan. Iinom niya na lang yung sakit na nararamdaman niya. Ako pa talaga sinisi niya na dapat daw hinawakan ko siya. Ayaw niya makinig eh. Oy. Oh, see, you're not listening again. You don't wanna hold Mommy's hand. Come on. Hoy, hold Mommy's hand. Di ba ayaw niya? Tapos pag nadapa siya dito ba? Kasi pa ano to eh, yung pataas. Okay, go. Baba. Di ba ayaw niyang magpahawak. Oh, careful. Pero hindi na siya nagtatatakbo. Lakad na lang siya. Ayan, no, pababa yan, di ba? Oh. Oh. Yeah, okay. Okay na siya. Binibriefing na sila. Hinihintay lang na matapos yung isang batch doon kasi ito yung second batch sa competition. So, sila na yung next na mag-hit dito sa first hole. Ayan si Kuya.
That's the last.
And then si Zachary. And the rest of the Kuyonga team. And eto, Kuyonga din to. Ka-team nila Kuya. Pero by 2 sila. By 2. Si Kuya tsaka si Sak ang magka-partner. Is it 9? 9 hole? Sila na. Come on, Baba. Go follow Daddy Holly. Kuha muna sila ng sand.
Alright, come you guys. I'll walk you guys down. Your caddy's got a full sort, don't worry.
All set? Okay. Ayaw niya ilagay sa likod yung backpack niya. Come on. Where's daddy? Oh, ang layo na nila daddy. Ang bagal ng kasama ko. Oh. Come on. Bit-bit na ng ipin niya yung backpack niya. You're silly. May suit na si Jana. Han, what's that for Han? Hindi ko alam kung ano yun, pero mayroon siyang pinasuot sa kanya.
I need it for the photo.
Lahat sila. Lahat pala sa lahat ng mga kasama ng mga bata. Na adult.
Hey, take a nice photo of everybody.
Magpapapicture muna sila.
Alright, a couple of those. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Great photo.
Caddy pala guys. Siya ang caddy. Yung mga adults, yung mga tatay or uncles or lolo. Ang caddy. Ayaw ni kuya magpakuha. Kuya, dito ka kuya. Other side, come on. Harap kuya. Ayaw niya talaga. Ayan, si Sak, okay lang si Sak. Oh. Hi Sak! O, diba? Nakasmile pa siya. Sila na yung next. Buti na lang si Holly, hindi siya yung nagpapasaway.
Is Paulus with our code? Yeah.
Wow. Good shot. Oh, si kuya na. Good shot, kuya. Good shot. Good shot. Good shot, Sak. Good shot. Good job.
Great job. Well done. Have fun, you guys.
Ang saya-saya ng daddy, oh. Good job, kuya. Well done. Good job, Zach.
Oh, black boy.
Siya ang gusto mag-push. Saya niya. Move na tayo sa next. Alright? Ito na tayo sa green. Dapat may shoot na nila. Well done, Zach. Good job. Woo! Good pat. Yan yung ano nila, ibang team sila. Yan yung ka-compete nila, TJ. Oh, almost, kuya. Good job, kuya. Si Sak na pala yung lalo. Good job. Sak. Tawa lang si Sak. Second hole na tayo, guys. And ando na sila. And si Holly, ayun. Ang bagal ng caddy ni Sak. Ang layo ng hole number 2. Kanina pa kami lakad ng lakad dito. Nauna na sila dyan kasi ito, oh. Kinuha na ni Sak sa kanya kasi ang bagal ni Holly. Nandun na sila, oh. Ayan. Yun sila doon. Ang layo, diba? Nang nilakad namin dun sa pinakadulong yon. And papunta kami dun. Nandun na yung mga boys. Hinihingal na ako, baba. Are you alright? Ayun na si kuya, mag-hit na si kuya. Hindi ko na makukunan. Si Sak na una na, hindi na natin nakunan. Good shot, kuya. Good shot, kuya. It's alright. Bumalik na yung caddy ni Sak. Ayan na siya. Alright? Paakyat kasi ito eh.
Now you finish my highway.
Yes, I did, Papa.
When was it? When
Hinahanap niya yung drink
get
niya.
in the door, and that was the right highway for me, and I'll just see that home.
Okay. Good job, Sak.
You can cut your hair if you want. You can cut your hair.
Good job. Oops. Okay, keep moving. Ayan, move ulit. Ang daming lakaran ditong nagaganap. Holly, come on, Papa. Buti pa to. Buti na lang hindi pa siya nagreklamo. Baba, I have to hold you because this is going down. See? Oh, diba? Yeah. You have to hold mommy's hand. Remember what happened to you before? Nagdudunong-dunungan na naman siya. Okay. Slowly, ha? Kailangan ko yung ilagay yan sa green. Doon ba? Good chipping, kuya. That's good. Ayan si Sak. Go, Sak. Good job, Sak. Well done, Sak. Ano kay Sak ko? Oh, it's alright. Na-miss ko yun. Di ko nakuha. Good job, Sak. Be quiet, boys. Good job, Kuya. Good job, Kuya. That was a good one. Wow, good job, Sam. Wow. Good job.
That's very good.
Yeah. Go in. Good job, Kuya. Good job. It's finished, Sak.
The front,
You take a little shot, try to shot.
this one.
Dirty.
Yeah.
Sucker. Go, Sak. Holly here, Holly. Ah, bad shot sila doon sa hole number 5. Go, Kuya. Good job, Kuya. That's alright. Good job. Good job, Zachary. Wow. Well done, Zach. Okay, Kuya. Oh. Going. Oh. yan. Binibilang na nila kung ino. Hole number 6 na to, guys. Oh. That's alright. Up. Good. Good job. Oh. Lakad pa, guys. Pahirap ng pahirap dito, guys, kasi paakyat ng paakyat ang lakaran. Buti na lang yung isa na i-enjoy niya mag-pick ng mga dry leaves. Baba, are you alright? Uy, Baba, pakanta-kanta ka dyan, ah. Yeah, nice. Yep. Oh, well done, Zach. Good job. Perfect, Zach. Ah. Good job, Kuya. Good job. Good job. Market. Ah, yeah, okay. Gagamitin nila yung kay Kuya. Kasi 'di ba team silang dalawa. Kung sino yung mas close diyan sa diyan ba? Ang tawag diyan sa flag. Is it in the hole? Hinahanap namin yung sa sa isang team. Wala, hindi namin mahanap yung ball. Inspiration, hanap muna tayo. Inspiration, hanap. Did you see it, Zach? You found it? You found it? Ah, okay. Ayan, nahanap na. Andito pala, oh. Ang ganda ng view dito, guys. And doon sa dulo may building, so. Tingnan mo yung isa. Uy! Ano nang ginagawa mo siya? Diyan ang taga-alis ng flag. Okay, boys. Take your time, Kuya. Okay, and look. Good job. Ayun yung bola ni Kuya. Ayun na si Kuya. That's alright. Okay, Zach. Ayan, janitor na siya ngayon. On the green. Good job. Okay, Kuya Sak. Good job, Sak. Good job. Malapit na matapos. 2 holes na lang and tapos na. After nito, 2 na lang. Ang lamig na, guys. Oh. Si Sak. Go, Sak. Woo! Bounce. Nahuli tayo, guys. Ayun, na-shoot na ni Kuya. Si Sak gusto mag-shoot. Good job, Sak. Okay, let's go. Layo pa ng pupuntaan namin, guys. 2 more holes. Ando na yung mga boys. Nagrereklamo na siya. How's your feet? Baba? Masakit na raw yung feet niya. It's alright. Hold mommy's hand, Baba. Kinarga ko na siya kanina. Good job, Kuya. Hey, tara na. Hoy, happy feet. Lift you. Gusto niya magpakarga. Oh, come on. Kargayin na natin siya. Itong bayad niya sa akin. Pag kinakarga ko siya, hinahalikan niya lang ako. Papa?
Yes.
Yes. Are you pagod?
Yes.
Are you tired?
Yes.
Oh, ang layo kasi ng mga lakaran.
I never walked it.
Yes.
And when you lift me, then
Yeah. I
joke lang.
joke lang. Mwah. Love you, Papa.
Not you.
Okay. Okay, we're here. Oh.
Well, Zach.
Good job, Zach. Good job, Zach. Okay, Kuya. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Ayan, patapos na. Ito na yung last. And malamig na, guys. And si little girl, ayun, oh. 2 beses na siya sa akin nagpakarga. And ngayon, okay na siya, oh. Naglalakad na ulit siya. So, ito na yung last, guys. Ayan na si Sako. It's alright. Si Kuya. Ayan, karga ulit tayo. And bayad kiss. Come on. That's good, Zach. Good job, kuya. Oh, good job. Good job, kuya. Sak, go to daddy. Ito na yung last, guys. Good job. Tapos na, guys. Okay, thank you. Yes. Text me or ring. Yeah, okay, we keep in touch. Dad! We're going home na, Baba. We're done. Tapos na yung competition, guys. And we lost by one shot. Which is okay lang kasi first time nila kuya sumali sa competition. And then yung kalaban nila kuya, sumasali na sila. Pangatlong sali na raw nila to. So, yeah. Okay lang. Diba kuya? They done well. But, right, Zach? Zach, sabi ni Zach, dapat daw nanalo sila.
How old were them kids on?
11. 11 years old yung kalaban nila.
Who's that other little?
And then yung isa, 8 years old. Huh?
Who's that other kid?
I don't know. I didn't ask the name. Only the other one.
How old is he? No, I know the name.
What?
Luke.
Book. Okay. Yung isa si Gian.
What if he's 10 and 11?
No, Gian is 11, then Luke is 8. So yun, guys. And then balik kami next weekend kasi another competition ulit yun. Sila ulit, han? The same kids for next week?
I'm not sure.
Oh, hindi namin alam.
No, we'll play someone differently.
Someone different. So, hindi namin alam kung sino magiging kalaban nila next week. And
Wait,
so, next weekend ulit, guys. So, yun na, guys, yung vlog. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Say bye. Bye. Mahaba siguro tong vlog. Holly, bye. Flying kiss. Ang bait niya. Nagpakarga lang siya sa akin ilang beses. 3. Kasi yung last na yung patapos nagpakarga na talaga siya kasi ang sakit na raw ng legs niya. Ang haba kasi ng mga lakaran. So yun na, guys. Thank you. Bye. Bye, Han. Bye. Pagod din yan. Alam mo, pagod yan kasi mag-work pa yan bukas. Gigising siya ng maaga and mag-drive pa siya ngayon. So yun na, guys. Bye. Kinakain ni Kuya yung tira ni Sako. Naglalaro yung dalawa na yung parang anong bang tawag dito? Basta magsasabi si Sak ng letters. Kung ano. Ayan. Basta yan. Naglalaro sila. Yan ang laro nila. And si Holly pagod na. Oh. Pagod. Ayan. Tulog na silang dalawa. Si Howie. Ayan. Nakanap na rin siya ng konti kanina. Ayan sila kuya. Bahay na pala kami, guys. And nakarating kami dito sa bahay. Kanina lang, mga 11:30. And yung oras is, ano na, 12, magto-12:30 na. So, mga 1 hour na kasi pinunasan ko pa yung mga bata. Yun, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Bye.
You have to beat yourself. That's what golf's about. You got to beat the course. So, doesn't matter if he's playing good. You've got to play, do what you can do, because no one else can do it except you.